Ever had this happen? You step out with your fresh kicks and boom, mitti, coffee, monsoon magic, but you don't have to stress. Today in SHOEGR Academy, we will show you the easiest, the fastest and the cleanest way to clean your sneakers, and that too on the go. Introducing our new and improved SHOEGR Shoe Cleaning Wipes.
I refuse to let a bad night ruin me, just doesn't get through to me. Even back then, getting stopped by the truancy. Posted with the bros and turned the bond into a mutiny.
What are sneaker wipes?
For those who are new to this concept, sneaker wipes are your on-the-go sneaker cleaner. मिट्टी गिर गई है, wipe it. Dust गिर गई है, wipe it. But here's the catch. Not all wipes are made for sneakers. Tissues or face wipes, they cannot really clean it. They might leave a residue or even leave some streaks on your shoe. And that's where sneaker wipes step in. They are made to be effective for your shoes without causing any damage.
What's new and improved?
At SHOEGR, we are constantly improving and upgrading our products based on your feedback. We have upgraded our formula and design to make these wipes even better. They lift dirt, stains and scuffs even faster. No residue, so no more blue or white residue left on your sneakers.
How to use sneaker wipes?
Pull one wipe out of the pack. Use on a small area first to test for color bleed and effect. Use the smooth side for regular cleaning and use the textured side for midsoles and tougher stains. Dispose responsibly. It's so quick and so effective. Within 30 seconds, the shoe is looking all fresh. You can see the difference.
Hit the scene and it's all green. On go, we ain't never doing small things. Being fitted for the crown, cause we all kings. If you know you got the shine, let them people know it's time for the show. Hit the scene and it's all green. On go.
Now I know you always have a lot of questions, so it's time to bust some myths about sneaker wipes.
First, do they replace deep cleaning?
Nope. Wipes are for quick fixes, not for fully restoring your beaters. For deep clean, you will need a full SHOEGR cleaning kit.
Next, how many wipes for one pair?
Usually, one is enough for light dirt. For muddy festivals, maybe two.
Next one, will wipes damage the sneaker color or finish?
No, our wipes are designed to lift dirt without fading or dulling colors. They leave natural finish intact. However, we recommend you should do a small patch test before using any shoe cleaning product.
Can I use them on sneaker outsoles?
You can, but you should not fully rely on wipes for outsole cleaning. Think of it like a face wipe. It's good for a quick refresh, but not a full bath. Wipes are for uppers, midsoles, and quick touch-ups, not scrubbing off weeks of outsole dirt. For deep cleaning, go for full SHOEGR cleaning kit.
Last one, do the wipes dry out quickly?
Nope. Each sneaker wipe comes with its individual sealed pack, so they stay fresh and moist until you open them. That also makes them super easy to carry. Just toss them in your bag, your pocket or your wallet without worrying about them drying out. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions related to these wipes or any of the shoes, you can DM us or you can leave a comment down below. And don't forget to love your shoes. Let's go!